What's going on, guys? Micro here, and welcome to this reaction. I'm making this video without knowing exactly what channel this is gonna go on. A new channel, I'm not quite sure yet, but welcome anyway. My name is Micro, and a little bit about me, since I am gonna be doing reactions now. I love Call of Duty. I love video games, so I'm gonna be reacting to like esports and Call of Duty videos, stuff like that. Music. I'm a pentaholic. I love pentatonics. So any new pentatonics videos, of course, I'd love to react to those. Just give me suggestions on things you would like me to react to. I love like oversimplified videos. That's gonna be my next 2 and 3 videos. The Russian Revolution, new videos I haven't seen yet. Gonna react to those. Comedy, I like all that stuff. All the popular stuff to react to. I kind of want to react to. So leave it down below in the comments, and I'll see what I can do for you. And we'll go from there. But yeah, just get it started here on the channel. We're going to be reacting to Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War Full Warzone Live Event. No commentary. This is off his Chaos channel. If you guys aren't familiar with him, legend in the Call of Duty scene. Chaos X Silencer, go sub to him. In the description will be the original video and a link to his channel. I want to watch this because I haven't seen the Warzone event. I've seen the trailer. I fucked up. I accidentally watched it before, I knew I was going to do this. But I watched the trailer already, so I've seen that. But I haven't seen the Warzone event. I know they were supposed to do something like Fortnite does, with like the Tilted Towers thing. It's going to blow it up, and it's the last one I remember watching in Fortnite. I wasn't a Fortnite guy. But apparently it's something like that in Warzone. Haven't seen that yet, so we're going to go ahead and watch Chaos video here with no commentary and see what happened on this Warzone map today. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into it. Let's go.
What is up, guys? Chaos here. We just witnessed
what
our
up, Jimmy?
first ever Call of Duty live event.
Oh shit! Motherfucker, see? I'm new to this shit, bro. I'm new to this shit. I gotta move my face. Bada boom. Right there. Hopefully I didn't fuck up and there's a background. But yeah, let's run that back.
What is up, guys? Chaos here. We just witnessed our first ever Call of Duty live event, and it did not disappoint. I'm going to leave you guys with the raw footage from my stream. Let you enjoy it as we chase down Frank Woods so he can give us the weapon of power to wield to get to the Call of Duty Cold War trailer. Drop a like, guys. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Turn on those post notifications.
So Woods is back, obviously. I think I saw Hudson.
Where you guys can become a member. If you want to check out the trailer by itself, I have that up as well. Enjoy.
Again, go check out Chaos channel. If you guys know Chaos, come on. I mean, he's a legend. You probably already subbed to him. Alright, what's gonna happen?
Move it.
Okay. Nothing suspicious so far. Wait, what the fuck? Hello?
Good work, soldier.
Feel the... Oh shit, that's the new Woods, baby.
Check the fire.
What is it, Dragunov? What is that? So it's just random Frank Woods standing in the middle of fucking Superstore? What did it say to field the weapon or yield the weapon?
So never mind. Never mind.
And this was like map wide, like everyone can do this at the time, right? What is that?
Movement.
Enfield?
Scratch that. Scratch that.
Oh, what happened? Wield the weapon. Uh-oh. Transmission incoming, collect the map codes, key to key, craft the map code. Yield the weapon. Oh! They did them all. Oh shit. So far, nothing too spectacular. A random Frank Woods in the wild. So I mean, that's interesting, but... By the way, is the video big enough? Small enough? Let me know. Anything to improve this. I was gonna cuss again. Anything to improve it. It's getting a little... Looks like it's getting a little framey in the game. Something might be... Yup, told you. It's the same guy from the teaser trailer. Pretty sure. The frames see... Oh, wait. It kind of looks framey still. Oh yeah, like it's starting to drop frames again. Something's about to happen again. Kind of just spamming his LMG. Oh shit! There was music playing. Just playing through the music volume. What was that noise?
Ascension. 7. 15.
Uh-oh. Ascension.
2. 19. 7.
I was reading out coordinates. I was like, that's not how you count.
30. 6. 7. 15.
This is just a code.
0.
There's an actual code. It just shows the trailer on the... There better be something else, bro. This is the teaser trailer. It's gonna go into the trailer. Dude, if that's it...
You are in a state of war, and you have precious little time to save this.
That's just a little fine.
Soldier, kill or be killed.
Run to the stadium. Get to safety. You will not survive. What the f... Zombies, question mark? Active measures.
Is a slow process which we call active measures. The first stage being demoralization. It takes from 15 to 20 years to demoralize a nation. The next
long ass
stage
time.
is destabilization. What matters is essentials. Economy, foreign
That's pretty
relations,
important. Mm-hmm.
defense systems. The next stage is crisis.
Plenty of crisis going on right now.
Power, structure, and
But we forget there was plenty of crisis going on in the goddamn 80s too. People worried about getting nuked and shit.
in the United States, if
We
you
forget.
want
We forget. That's all I'm saying.
put a big brother government in Washington D.C. who will promise lots of things, never mind whether the promises are fulfilled or not.
Inspired by actual events. So what is happening right now? Is this Chaos Friends? And this is just on the screen as they're playing? Oh, I thought this was part of the trailer. I'm stupid. It's playing over their screen. That's pretty cool. I like that.
It's ticking. The every second, the disaster is coming closer and closer.
That's terrifying.
Danger is real.
Ooh, that's like a Black Ops 1 transition scene. Gameplay captured on a PS5, baby, so they still got that deal. 1968.
Years of blood. Just to light the fuse of a
Love that guy's voice.
decades in the making.
Got that Vietnam vibe, baby.
My fellow Americans, a nuclear conflict could well be mankind's last. We want to
Ronald
make this a more
Reagan.
peaceful world.
5 days ago, we acquired intel. Soviet agent Perseus is in play. If he's active, something big is gonna happen.
Ooh.
Something that could shift the balance of the Cold War.
Would they actually call it Cold War back then? If that's not the same voice actor for Woods, it does a pretty accurate ass job of replicating it. RCXDs, baby, they back. Iconic sound. They done flipped it.
Is the threat real? Yes, sir, we believe it is.
Is that Hudson?
Whatever he wants.
Mr. Hagler. Is that what he called him? Because that looks like Hudson to me. Okay. Ooh, classic Call of Duty action there. Ooh, look at those graphics. Look.
I know you won't fail us.
No, Mr. Ray Gun. Look how clean, bro. November 13th. So we're back to November.
Access to the open beta and instant access to the Woods operator pack in Modern Warfare.
Oh, he does look younger and more rough. What's the buffalo head? Oh, is that the character from the new game? He's gonna be in Warzone as an operator? Why is it all sandy? Wow. Okay, guys. What to make of that? I guess that was the whole event. Let me go ahead and boom, and bring me back over here to the center. Or close to center. Whatever, close enough. Anyways, guys, wow. Okay. So, we knew we were getting Cold War already. That had been released already. I've seen the trailer, so that was no surprise. So, I'm going to go ahead and analyze. Not really analyze, but break down. Oh, focus, bitch. I'm gonna go ahead and like kind of two parts. I'm gonna say, okay, first I'm gonna kind of go through the actual trailer. So the trailer was pretty cool. It showed, you know, the gist of what it's gonna be about. Obviously, there's gonna be a campaign by that trailer. That was a campaign trailer. Woods is back. Looked like Hudson is back. I didn't see any mention of Mason. Maybe I missed it. I'll have to go back and watch it. Again, that was my second time seeing it. But obviously the Vietnam area seems like they're focusing more on the later. I'm kind of stupid. In the 80s part of it, the Cold War, like at the Vietnam era, like right then. Obviously, Cold War makes sense now, but because they focus more on Reagan, Mr. Reagan, Ronald Reagan, more than they did JFK. So it looks like it's going to be specifically probably focused 80, 81, that time period right there specifically with the codename Perseus thing. So that's pretty cool. Overall, it's what you expect from a Call of Duty trailer. Actually, probably not as much action as you would expect. You would expect more from a Call of Duty trailer, but there was a good fair bit, especially that part with the the plane coming down. We didn't get into this, whatever. So there was that. In terms of the event part of it, I guess the anticipation made it pretty cool, and that everyone was in a lobby experiencing it together. It's kind of that, mob feeling. You get more hyped, you're more around you're around like more people, and you feed off their energy and vice versa. So that aspect was pretty cool, and it was playing over their screen as they were moving, which is pretty cool. But they kind of just played the teaser trailer and the trailer. Nothing exploded, nothing really happened. There was like a clank I heard, like the nuke was gonna go off, but then nothing happened, and then the trailers just played. So in terms of the whole event, kind of a letdown for me, not gonna lie to you. But the trailer was cool, so that's the thing. We actually know it's gonna be November this year, not October. I would expect. They've had a bunch of problems making this, but this video's probably already been too long. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe with the bell notification, leave down some suggestions on what you want me to react to next in the comments below, and I will catch you guys on the next one, guys. Peace out, or whatever the hell I'm gonna do at the end of this.